Now let us see the factorial of a positive number n is given by factorial of n factorial is equal to 1 star 2 star 3 star 4 up to n. The factorial of a negative number does not exist and the factorial of 0 is 1. You will learn to find the factorial of a number using recursion with this example. Visit this page to learn how you can find the factorial of a number using loop. See the program factorial of a number using recursion. See the program for GCD. See the programming for Fibonacci sequence. Now let us see Tower of Hanai. Using recursion often involves a key insight that makes everything simpler. Often the insight is determining what data exactly we are recursing on. We ask what is the essential feature of the problem that should change as we call ourselves. In the case of is a Jew, the feature is the person in question. At the top level we are asking about a person. A level deeper we ask about the person's mother. In the next level the grandmother, and so on. In our Towers of Hanai solution we recurse on the largest disk to be moved. That is, we will write a recursive function that takes a parameter, the disk that is the largest disk in the tower we want to move. Our function will also take 3 parameters indicating from which peg the tower should be moved, source, to which peg it should go, dust, and the other peg which we can use temporarily to make this happen, sphere. At the top level we will want to move the entire tower, so we want to move disk 5 and smaller from peg A to peg B. We can break this into 3 basic steps. See the figure. First, move disk 4 and smaller from peg A source to peg C spare. Using peg B dest as a spare, how do we do this? By recursively using the same procedure. After finishing this, we will have all the disks smaller than disk 4 on peg C. Bear with me if this doesn't make sense of the moment. We will do an example soon. See the figure. Second, now with all the smaller disks on the spare peg, we can move disk 5 to peg A, source to peg B, dest. See the figure. Third, finally we want disk 4 and smaller moved from peg C to peg B. We do this recursively using the same procedure again. After we finish, we will have disks 5 and smaller all on dest. Now let us see binomial coefficient NCR. The binomial coefficient NK is the number of ways of picking k unordered outcomes from n possibilities, also known as combination or combinatorial number. The symbol NCK and NK are used to denote a binomial coefficient and are sometimes read as n choose k. Nk therefore gives the number of k subsets possible out of a set of n distinct items. For example, the two subsets of 1, 2, 3, 4 are the 6 pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 3, 4 and 4, 2 is equal to 6. The number of lattice paths from the origin 0, 0 to a point A, B is the binomial coefficient A plus B. The value of the binomial coefficient for non-negative n and k is given explicitly by formula nck is equal to nk is equal to n factorial divided by n minus k factorial into k factorial. Now let us see Ackermann's recursive function. The Ackermann function is the simplest example of a well-defined total function which is computable but not primitive recursive, providing a counterexample to the belief in the early 1900s that every computable function was also primitive recursive. It grows faster than an exponential function or even a multiple exponential function. The Ackermann function a of x comma y is defined for the integer x and y by a of xy is equal to y plus 1 if x is equal to 0, a of x minus 1 comma 1 if y is equal to 0, a of x minus 1 comma a of x comma y minus 1 otherwise. The special values for integer x include a of 0 comma y is equal to y plus 1, a of 1 comma y is equal to y plus 2, a of 2 comma y is equal to 2y plus 3, a of 3 comma y is equal to 2 to the power of y plus 3 minus 3, a of 4 comma y is equal to 2 to the power of 2 up to 2 minus 3 divided by y plus 3. Expressions of the latter form are sometimes called power towers. A of 0 comma y follows trivially from the definition. A of 1 comma y can be derived as follows. A of 1 comma y is equal to a of 0 comma a of 1 comma y minus 1 close the double bracket.